Today, I'm going to take us through and explain to us and show us how we can get 100% free domain. How to get 100% free domain. If you follow me, today I want to show us how to get 100% free domain. Most people does not know that they can buy domain free of charge. Most people pay for buying domain and hosting. I will show us how to get 100% free domain, and the only thing we pay for is hosting. Most people will pay for they will pay to buy domain, and they will still go on to pay for hosting. But there's a way that we can get our domain free of charge, in which the only money we are going to pay is for hosting. If you are excited, I too am super excited. Let's dive in. Okay, welcome back. As I said earlier, that I'm going to show us how to get domain free of charge. The first step we'll do is you go to Google and type domain dish inside Google, or type domaindish.com. The website will load. They are a very good website hosting company. I've been using them now for more than 5 years. Yes, this is where we are going. Get 100% free domain today. So what we do is that, as you can see, it said we are providing free domain with all our yearly plans. Find your new domain name, enter your name and keyword below to check availability. So the keyword or the name of the company that you want to buy domain for, you put it here and click on search. It will search and give you if the domain is still available, if the .com of the domain is available, or if the .com of the domain is not available, and it will suggest to you some of the domain, as you can see, that's available. Like you are seeing on the screen, I think congratulations, digitalengage.com is available. Add to cart. The initial price is $11.89. So I click add to cart and I click checkout. Now here, this is the review page, the domain configuration review page. But before I can buy this domain, or before I can get this domain free, there's one thing that I need to do. You can see it's telling me that no hosting. Click to add hosting. So if I want to get my domain free of charge, I need to add a hosting platform. Now we're on the sharing hosting platform. So I'm going to click basic, then I'll add basic. See order now. I'll click on order now under basic. The monthly is $13.95. That's asking me use domain already in my shopping cart. I'll just click use. So you can see I need to choose a billing cycle. The only billing cycle that can make me to get a free domain is the yearly or annually billing. You can see annual billing with free domain. That is what we are talking about. There's no way you create your website now and you don't have a certificate on your website. That is when you're having HTTPS. So there's no way you're going to have. So you had SS certificate to it and you see the card. So I'll click continue. Click on continue. And to take me back to the domain configuration page. You can see now my registration period. I have hosting. I can add DNS management free of charge. DNS management increase my availability and redundancy online. So I'll click continue also. Yeah, this is review and checkout. If you see under the basic, I have my annual fee, which is $167 Then my SS certificate per annum is $30. Then if you get to domain registration, the digital engage domain at the .com that I just want to register now, you can see they're giving me at $0. That's the magic, bro. They're giving me at $0. Instead of them adding $11.89. They are giving me $0. So I will go and click on checkout now. So I have to enter my because I've not registered before. I've registered before. I'll click on already registered because I've not registered before, and I have to input my information. So I'll put digital. Then my last name. I'll put engaged. Put engaged. And I'll input my email address. Because that is very very important. That's where they're going to send my hosting information to. So I'll put my email address. Then phone number of the country that where I am. Now I'm going to use USA as the country that I am, just for this training purpose, just for the tutorial purpose. That number is not the correct number. I just put it for training purpose. And the address, I'm just going to put a fake address there and everything, just for this tutorial purpose. But if you are doing it, you make sure you put in your correct address, your correct information, because there's no way this information will exist in your C panel. This information will exist in your C panel, so it's good for you to put your correct address, your correct information, your correct phone number, your correct email address. I'm just putting that. I'm just inputting fake uh, information just because of the training purpose. If I'm going to buy this domain truly, I'm going to put my real information. So what I'm showing you, what I want us to understand is that we can get a domain free of charge. We don't need to be paying for domain at the same time paying for hosting. You can see the total due today is $107.40. If I had my domain fee to it per annum or okay, let me say per annum, that is going to add another $11.89. Let's just say $12. So now what I'm doing, I've just saved $12. That is my first year of buying my domain. I'm getting it for free. I'm getting it for free. That's magic. The day I discovered this, I discovered this. Since that day, I've been getting my domain free of charge. Free of charge. I can't remember in the last 3 years if I've ever paid for domain. This is the magic. This is the magic. So now, after inputting all the information you're billing address, so what you do is you agree with their times, then you click on complete order. You agree with their times and you click on complete order and so on. So once you click on complete order, you have your domain. Thank you very much. So now, after inputting everything, so I've just saved myself $12. I've been doing this for the past 3 years. I've been getting my domain free for the past 3 years. So I will check I have read and agreed to the terms of service and click on complete order. Everything is finished. So all the information, your hosting information, your domain information, DNS, the name server will be sent to that email. Thank you. Now, after we have gone through everything, if you want to get domain, cheap domain hosting or cheap website hosting, you want to get cheap hosting plan with free domain, please click the link below, the link in the description. Just click on the link. Click on the bit.ly link. It will take you to Domain Dish, and through that, you will be given cheaper price. Your hosting, the plan will give you, they will reduce your price will be reduced. And on top of it, you have a free domain. If you like what you have just read, if you want to be what you have just heard, and you want to be part of the people that will start enjoying free domain today, click the link in the description below. Click the link in the description below. Thank you.